Gentlemen, welcome back to HTML and Cascading Story Sheet lesson. This is lesson number 20. We are going to start HTML form, and this is a part 1 of this lesson, HTML form. So, for example, a form, when we say form, it looks like this. This is a website I developed for G-Double Computer Tutorials. So now to develop this website, you see, I used HTML form. Right, this is sample of form. Right, this form is contain information about our contact form. You can contact us by sending us the message by entering here your name. As you see, you can enter name here and email. As you see, then you can send to us the message. You can type here your message and then click on this submit message. Right, so this is the simple form that I developed in my website called G-Double Computer Tutorials. So if you want to know how you develop websites like this, let me know in the comment section. Right? Yeah, I can develop it for you and I can share the source code to you. Right? So let us jump in our today's task. Yeah, now as I showed you, that is example of form. So to develop that form, we use here, first of all, we have to use a form tag, right? Form like this, you see? We need to choose a form. So once you open and close our form here, inside the form, we can develop form by using different features, you see? For example, here, what I used here, what I used is this one. You see, first of all was text field to enter name and enter email, right? So this one is what we call text area. So now in this lesson, let us deal with text field as the fundamental feature of form, right? It's where a user can enter his information like name, reg number, registration number, email address, and so on and so forth. So now there are two ways that you can use it to develop text field, right? First one, in this video, let me show the first one, simple one, to create the text field, right, in the form. So to do that, first of all, of course, we need to show what that text field holds. For example, you can write first, like a first name. Once you write the first name, and now we can write our text field here. Let us write like, now we use input tag, right, with type attribute. And remember, we already covered those lessons. Also, tags and attributes already learned it. For those who are missed, you can go back and watch our previous lessons. You will get it. Yeah, we use input type, input as tag, type as field, and here we have to say type of that field. Our field will get name, input type equal name, right, like this, then close our type. And remember, this one is what we call input tag with no need to close it, right? First of all, I have to save it and run it to show you how we'll display an output. You see this one, first name and then text field, right? So you can create more than one by just copy this one and then paste here. You can say second name. You see now, this is first name, second name, email, and address. It's like location. Here you can insert location. Yeah, this is how you can create a text field. So to arrange them, you can come here and use break line tag. After write this, you can use here break line tag. I already showed how to use it. It's like end line in C++ program. To end line means that once we write another statement must be below of the previous one, right? That's why here we have to put break line, and also here to put break line. You see, save it and refresh page. you see now our text fields are arranged in the form way, right? So this is how you can create a text field by just using input type equal name of that field. Just that one is. So thank you for watching this video. This is the end of today's lesson. I just need to show you how you can create text field, but this is the first simple method. I will show you how you can now create the text field by using the second method, which will be the professional than this one, right? So I invite you to watch the next video of HTML and cascading story sheet lesson. And please, if you are new, it's time to subscribe, to like this video, and to show it to your colleagues so that they can access to our lessons.
Yeah.